Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing good. Um, Many of you requested me to give a review on Loom knit hooks, and many of you asked me which one I use for my projects. So today I just want to make some reviews on my hooks. So first of all, I started loom knitting with this one. So this one came with loops and threads company, the loom knitting set. So you can also find this one in different stores separately to buy. It's very cheap, and this one was good at the beginning, but I found some problems with this one. So I bought this one, a pair of hooks um, from Amazon, and from after buying this one I never went back to this one. I like this one so much, and I just want to tell you why I liked it so much. The first thing, you can see the both are ergonomic grip, but the thing is, this is a little bit like comfortable since it's very thin, and this one is uh, not not thin as like this one. And you can see also there is a shape um, here, so it helps to grip nicely. My hands are very small, so it suits with me very much. I like it so much. The grip, I like it so much. On the other hand, this one has no grip like this one. And price wise, I would say this one, okay, the single one is cheap. I forgot because I didn't buy it separately, it came with the set, so I forgot the price of single price. Definitely these two will take more price than this one, but the price for this one, it worth it, because I bought from Amazon this pair maybe 16 Canadian dollars, but later I found they also give some sales, and sometimes I found they give this pair with only $8. So this one is KB Loom knit hooks. KB means knitting board .com. They have the website of knittingboard.com or kblooms.com. So this is the KB brand, and I found the most comfortable and the best knitting hook, loom knitting hook until now, and I'm not going to change this one. And you will get two different colors, and I like the colors also, orange and purple. Sometimes I match them with my knitting yarns, and I like this too much. I would say for 16 bucks it's worth it. And on the other hand, this one is, I do not like this one so much. I want to show you one more thing. This is so firm, the hook is not moving. I did a lot of project with this, a lot of project. I can't count them, so nothing changed. So maybe hundreds of project, but nothing changed. But this one, I did maybe 10, 15, at most 20 projects, and you can see after that this became loose. So whenever I'm pushing, I'm pulling the yarn, then it becomes loose. And one more thing I can show you, like if I press it backwards, is something opening from here. So this one is not good. You can see, yeah, you can see the end of the hook here. So I do not recommend this one. The only good thing I found in this one is um, the head, you know, it's not that much pointy, so it's sometimes, you know, while we knit, sometimes it might hurt if it is pointy. So this one, the KB loom, loom knit hooks, it this one is a little bit pointy, like it hurts when I touch here, it hurts a little bit. So this one is super cool, but you have to be careful if you use this one, because this one is a little bit pointy head. This one is round, this one is not pointy, this one is round. So that's the only thing I liked for this one. But you know, since I'm happy with this one only, I would recommend the KB company to make this head a little bit round shape rather than pointy. That would be my only suggestion for KB looms. And other than that, I like this one so much, so much, so much. I will give the Amazon link for this one. I do not get any commission from them, but I will give the link of this one to you so that you can buy too. And this one is not recommended, this is not good. So if you want to work a lot years after years, then buy the KB looms, KB loom knitting hooks. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Thank you all. Have a good day.